I'm Mansha. From the day one, the onboarding process was seamless and well structured. The work environment is inclusive and encouraging for young professionals like me. The IDIADA company has been awarded as a top employer for 4 years in a row, which proves how consistently it has invested in its employees.
I have been with IDIADA for over 13 years, and every year has brought new challenges, new learning and new achievements. From working on a wide range of vehicle platforms to supporting the teams in Malaysia, Thailand and the UK, every experience has kept my passion alive. What keeps me here is the people. The team spirit, the respect and the support are unmatched. The company culture provides a perfect balance between the learning, work and personal life. IDIADA truly feels like a home to me.
My journey at IDIADA is nothing short of transformative. I have grown from project engineer to team lead, all the thanks to the support and opportunities given by the management. We've just started from one major client and now we are serving multiple clients across India and Europe. It's been amazing to be part of something growing so fast.
From the beginning, IDIADA has invested in my growth through technical trainings and leadership programs. What truly empowers me is the only woman in my team and still equally heard, supported and valued. If you are looking for a place to grow, IDIADA is where you belong.
4 years ago, I joined IDIADA with big dreams, and this journey has exceeded all my expectations. From day one, I felt welcomed into the culture that values innovation, teamwork and individual growth. The company invests deeply in its people through various learning programs, technical opportunities and fun activities that encourage us to participate. I have grown not just as an engineer but also as a mentor and leader, and that's what makes IDIADA special.
It has been truly fulfilling experience. The office environment is vibrant, energetic and centrally located, making it so convenient to come in office every day. What really stands out for me is the work culture. It's open, inclusive and every voice is heard. As a women profession, I deeply value the flexibility the company offers to balance both my career and professional life. The regular engagement activity keeps us connected and motivated as a team.
Pregnancy was one of the most challenging phases of my life, but IDIADA supported me in every step of the way. They adjusted my responsibility and gave me the flexibility I needed and never made me feel like I had to choose in between my career and my health. One thing I truly appreciate is how company supports women in every stages of life. During maternity, the flexible policy plans gave me a peace of mind and the space to come back strong. I have had a chance to lead international projects and even visit headquarters in Spain for trainings.